It's a crab cake egg roll recipe kind of day today. Just watch. Alright, so for these egg rolls, you are going to need a green and red bell pepper, some fresh garlic, yellow onions. I have some Dijon mustard back there, some hot sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, a couple of my seasonings, and your crab meat, of course. Breadcrumbs, which is optional. You don't have to use breadcrumbs, but basically all the ingredients that you would use to make a crab cake, except we're not making crab cakes, we're making egg rolls. Oh, and you also going to need an egg, one egg. And as you can see, I am chopping up my vegetables and I'm going to saute them next for a couple of minutes. Taking my mama, my daddy, my cousin, my brother, my daughter, my BM2. Better watch how you moving outside, niggas start trying to ride whenever the rent due. No, I can't trust again. I usually saute my garlic and onions first. And the reason doing so is because I'm building layers of flavor. The garlic and onion is seasoning the pan, so when I add in my vegetables, it'll be flavored with garlic and onion, and it won't overpower any other flavors going on. I can't pick. Too bad bitch. Glock is stench. Glock with a stench. 40 with a skate. That shit gotta have precision. We not missing. That barrel give me a rush. It got me ghost. Now it's time to add my seasonings to balance everything out and enhance these natural flavors. Y'all, balance is very important in cooking. And I just use some salt and pepper to season my vegetables. I'm having way too many thoughts on my mind about this money for me, then you fuck again. I'm having too much of pain in my eyes. That you can't even see through designer. Now I'm going to add an egg in the bowl along with my crab meat, my sauteed vegetables, my breadcrumbs, all the ingredients that I have listed down below. I'm going to add it in this bowl and I'm going to mix it all together. In the end, only real remain. Been in the HOV lane. Outside, but I'm going insane. Niggas out here lost loose. How you gon' get it? We did it together, gotta split it. I hop in the bag and hop on my feelings. I'm sipping the walkie came from Mississippi. I don't hate nobody, not even my enemy. Shit like that only take away from your energy. Had a little girl on my stone, got it tagged. Nothing more, nothing less, 50-50, we bustin' it down. Bitch poppin' purse with his bitch, she next. Better make sure you put rats back in your hood. Take care of your family, understood. She missing us with juice. Say the water make it with juice. That barrel give me a rush. It got me moving rapid. Think I just seen a ghost. I lost so many of them. Apologies, I did the best that I can. Ain't really worried about niggas kicking it down regardless of I'm walking in. Alright y'all, I am about ready to start rolling my egg rolls. I'm going to use these vegan egg roll wraps, and you are going to need one bean egg to seal your egg rolls. You do not want your egg rolls falling apart while it's cooking. And I did play it in real time so you guys can see how long it takes me to roll my egg rolls. Now wrapping them is pretty easy. You want to lay out one egg roll wrap with the corner pointed towards you, and I'm just taking my egg and I'm covering the edges of my wrap. Yeah, shit gotta have precision. Nappy as hell. Yeah, I can't pick. Yeah, too bad bitch. Yeah, Glock extension. Yeah, now I'm gonna take my crab meat and I'm gonna place it in the middle. I'm gonna take one corner of my wrap, fold it and tuck it, and then I'm gonna fold both sides in and I'm gonna roll it tightly. Think I just seen a ghost. I can't pick. Too bad bitch.
Yeah. She mixing nuts with juice, say the water make it nasty. That barrel give me a rush, it got me moving rapid. Think I just seen a ghost. Way too many my opponents pass. Put them racks in your hood, nigga. You don't believe in me, you a fool. Ain't really worried about nigga kicking the door down regardless of I'm walking in. Why in the hell he keep talking about drugs so much? Together like F and the N. I'm having way too many thoughts on my mind about this money for me to even fuck again. I'm having too much of pain in my eyes. I'm having too much of pain in my eyes that you can't even see through designer lens. My bitch is one of the realest. I ain't got a lust, but she know I'm a whole pimp. I'm having so much of pain in my heart that I don't think I ever could trust again. Taking my mama, my daddy, my cousin, my brother, my daughter, my BM2. Better watch how you move.
And as I'm rolling my egg rolls, I do have my oil heating on the stove on a medium-high heat, and I'm using grapeseed oil. It's supposed to be 100% way healthier than olive oil, so this is what I'm using. Alright, now my oil is ready, and I did went ahead and added in my egg rolls. Now I am just going to watch them, and every so often I'm going to check on them, being as though I'm not deep frying them. So yeah.
Too bad bitch. Glock is stench. Glock with a stench. 40 with a skate. That shit gotta have precision. We not missing. That barrel give me a rush. It got me back. Think I just seen a ghost. Passing. You don't believe in me, you a fool.
Okay, y'all, we got some melanin going on. Nah, but once you see your egg rolls have turned this golden brown color, they're about done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for watching, and enjoy.
I'm having so much of pain in my heart that I don't think I ever could trust again.